Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be doing rainbow makeup look, and I love it. It's looking so pretty, and I'm excited to share this with you. It's been a while since I actually published anything, a week, let's say. So let's get started and jump right into this video without any more waiting. We've been busy, you can tell. We had a real labor, and we worked in my parents' house. My husband, my mom, and I, we were doing some ceilings, and yeah. No literal vacation. We had to work the ass off. I had no time for showering, for anything to like finally do makeup, hair up, and whatever. We're just a family of DIYs. Well, I wanted to do a rainbow makeup look, and years ago, I remember I did a beautiful sort of rainbow makeup look for my lower lid. I really love this makeup look because it's gonna be super, super easy and quick. All you need is a little bit of concealer, and I need a white eyeliner. White eyeliner is going to help to make all of the colors pop even more, and it's going to look bright and beaming through. You can use shimmers, you can use matte colors. Unfortunately, I don't really have a lot of shimmers with like rainbow colors. That's why we're going to go with matte eyeshadows today. You know, I don't really want to do these colors all over the lid. I want to do this as a thin line to match the bottom line. I have my white pencil, eyeliner, and let's set the lid first with white color. And now I'll start with the eyeliner. Bring those all over your lid, anywhere you want to create your makeup look. And I'll do the same thing for my lower lid. Okay, super cool. With a finger, make sure that it's well blended. You're not going to take off a lot of the product. It's just make sure that everything is smooth. The first shade is going to be red. And yeah, we need 7 colors. So the first one is going to be this bright red color. And I'll do both for the lower and the upper lid. So they're going to match each other. It's going to look like this. Okay, I'm going to start with the top. Just create a dot. Great. And the same thing happens for my lower lid. It's really simple makeup look. Anyone can do this. I believe anyone can do this, even a beginner. So they're kind of matching each other. Though I feel like it's a little bit bigger than I planned because we need like 7 colors. Now I'm gonna do orange. It's gonna be this color. By the way, I'm using Beauty Bay 42 color palette, bright matte. It's going to be orange. Ooh, pretty color. Then we'll focus on some blending. Now we need yellow. It's pretty yellow color. And I'm stamping my matte colors. It's key in this routine. Now we need green. It's really dark and pretty green. I really like it. Small dot. Crazy pigmented. We need 3 more shades. I don't know where to put it. I have an idea that I have blue waterline to create like a blue waterline in this area, but we'll see. Blue. Dark, maybe. Oh yeah, we have a tiniest bit of space in this area. Let's connect both of the halves in the outer corner. And finally, I have purple, and it's gonna be like a wing. This is purple. I need a wing. Green, and have one of the handiest brushes. You can start smaller. I mean, I guess I used a little bit too much red, so in the outer corner I was left with smaller space, let's say. So we're gonna get to the point. And now I have a little bit smaller like crease brush, and I was thinking to probably use a little bit of this beige color to make sure that it looks blended and cohesive. And I don't really want to bring this on top of all the shades. It's going a little bit lower than my colors. We're kind of mixing and matching them together. Like this, really soft. Same happens for my upper lid. And I feel like I need my black eyeliner on top. This is Makeup Forever and ink liner. And, you know, the wand. I hate the wand. I'm using Catrice eyeliner, really old. Let's scoop this out of the tube and place it really, really close to my lash line. I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit and then use probably the same colors as I used before to smudge this out a little bit. First, I'm gonna let it dry. And I want to do a little bit of shimmers in the inner corner. I have my highlighter palette that I don't really like as a highlighter palette. I'm just using this to highlight my inner corner and probably my brow bone. And my final step, I'm going to coat my lashes with mascara. This is Essence Love Crazy Violet Mascara. And boom, we're done with this really quick, easy makeup routine. I'm going to do the same thing for my left eye, and I'll be back to conclude the video. So we're going to do my lips. I want to use my NYX Lingerie lipstick. It's 03 and it's super pale nude color. And I will get this all over my lips. I have my lip pencil. Let's blend this out with a brush. And now I want to do a lip gloss on top. This is Essence Clear Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss. One of my favorite, and I'm almost out of the product. This is insane. Look at that. It's so freaking pretty. Super affordable. I'm gonna real quick change and conclude the video. Okay guys, and this is the final result. Obsessed. I really love the colorful combination of colors in this rainbow makeup look. I hope you love the lip gloss, the lip, let's say, combination. And I'm so happy to be back. We have so many things coming, let's say, and love you all so much. And I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye bye.